today we are going to be making a rock paper scissors game. So we will need random module today because we will play with the computer. And then so what the computer's gonna choose random. So for example like paper, rock, and then you choose whatever you like. Then I will put these pictures like these so it's more be able to see by others. You can look at very fast what these are. So I will put these in the description so you can copy it. So the first one, we need the random module. So we'll say import random like this, and then we will need to welcome the players. So let's print out welcome to rock, paper, scissors game like this. Then we will say while true, so this will run forever. Make sure the while true is a capital letter, or else there will be errors because make sure this is capital letter, or else it will show errors because the Python, it only recognizes this. Or if you want to write like the small letter, you can say like this. Then you can write like this too, for example here. But I'm just gonna do true with the capital letter because it's more easier to read and understand. So we will say integer with input. Let's say what do you choose? Like type 0 for rock, and then 1 for paper, and then 2 for scissors. Scissors like this. Why do I do like this? Because of when we run this, you can see it's more easier to type, right? For example, like 0, then we can just type 0. It's so easy. That's why we do like that. Or else you will need to write like ROCK. It's kind of long. But if you want to do, then it's okay. Then what we're going to do is next computer choice. It is like random with 0 to 2 like this. So it will random. Print F computer choice like this. Then game images equals to let's say rock, and then the paper, and then the scissors like this. Then we will say if user choice is greater than 2 or user choice is 0, then print you type an invalid number, and then if you we will ask if you want to play again. Click the start again. You can also do like this. And then we will break the program. Then what we're going to do is let's print out you chose the game images and then the user choice, and then we'll say next line the computer chose. Like that. Then like this game images computer choice. Oh, I think we should make this. I will make this with a bigger case because of the user choice first letter is big, that's why. We'll make it more clear. Then if we're done, if user choice equals to the computer choice, no, computer choice, then print, let's print both has been selected. No one wins, and then it's a draw. So we will say like this. If they're the same, then it's a draw, right? And then if the user choice is that's the computer choice, then we will say if user choice equals to 0 and the computer choice is 2, then the print you won, like this. If user choice is 1 and then the computer choice is 2, then we will say print you lose, like this. Then we will say if the user choice is equals to 0 and then the computer choice is 1, then you lose like this. If user choice is then the computer choice, then if user choice is 2 and then the computer choice, you can make these more rememberable. So you can just say user choice was 0 again for rock, and then the 2 is scissors. Then this will 1, right? But I'm not going to include this here. It's more readable for others. So wait, I'm just writing rock and paper. No, scissors. Scissors. And then this is, if you don't want to write these, that's okay, but it's more readable for you and others. That's why I will write it over here. So one is paper, and then what's two again? Or scissors. Scissors. And then this is rock and paper. Rock. If rock and paper, you will all see. Yeah, right. And then the computer choice. Let's go back here again. Is one. Then we will say two is scissors. And then one is paper. So you will win for sure. Print you one. Okay. It's kind of boring. I think we should just over here. Over here. Oh. Like this. Then I'm bored of this. So I'm gonna copy this. Then, wait. Before copying, let's copy this first and paste this in here, and then we will copy this, then paste here and paste here. So if user's choice is 2 and you will win. And then if you 1 and then the opponent's 0 and then 2 and 0. So that's all. This will be, I will just leave these blank because you already understand, right? Let's say 0. Oh, wait. I chose rock. 0 for rock, right? I chose rock. It's scissors, right? So I won. Yeah. Let's test again. I still won. Two scissors and then the paper, so I won. Let's say 2 again. Oh, they're the same. Then let's say 1. Oh, they're the same. Oh, I just ran an invalid number. 0, 2, 1. Yeah, I won. I don't see any lose, right? Wait. Oh, I forgot to change you won. Oh, the last one's you lose. You won, you lose, you lose, you won, you won, you lose. You won, you lose. Let's just say 1. Then I won. Paper. I'm just testing right now if it work or not. if it's working or not. Let's say 1, 2, 1. I want again. Oh my god. I want to load so much because I thought it was an error. It's not showing loads. Every time I do it's like draw, you win, like that. I thought it was an error. And then that's why we need to stop this. Let's say try exception handling. Over here with try we can do like this. Like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. We can do like these. So then like this, like this. Then it's all done. Wait. Oh, except. Except. We'll accept anything. Let's say print. Program exited. Like this. So let's play. And then we stop without doing anything. Oh, wait. We need to break this too. Break. So like this, like this. Then we stop. Oh, it exits. So it's good now. Then when you run, it's all okay. If you want to add it, I can do more. For example, like let's set another file. Okay, so the project stops here. If you don't want to see how you can add like something else, like not even 1, 0, or 2, like that. We will need the choice one, right? Choice. So I think the program stop here. Please write down in the comments what do I still need to add. So the video stops here, and then if you have any questions or any ideas what I should add in my game, rock paper scissors game, I mean, please write in the comments so I can add more of those. Thanks for watching, and then I hope you enjoyed this project. Bye.